Hoy, pinto. Buksan ang pinto.
Sana lahat maintindihan mo. Sana maintindihan mo ang lahat ng bagay. Ano nga mga pangalan mo? Ang lakas, ang ano naman, bilis naman, hindi mo. Alam mo bang, may pagkakasok na lang sa iyo.
O yung questions, tanong. Alam mo ba kung saan ka papunta? Jawa. Wala na, wala na. Ano? You understand?
No doubt. Oh, I'm shy. Hindi ko sure mahirap eh.
Shine.
Oh, people.
You're shining, ha?
I'm shining. I'm shy. Hindi shining. Kasi ang shining is grow.
Oh, grow, ha?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, grabe.
I'm shining.
Shine sa mukha.
Okay.
Tapos na. At least may pakinabang din ang ano mo pag uwi ng gabi na.
Comedy. Sorry ah.
Matutuwa din mga anak mo, no?
Oo nga naman. Do you know? Sabi ng mga anak ko nung ako'y umuwi ng lasero dito, Mami, na ikaw umuwi English speaking ka. Akala ko kasi nagilakay mo pa ako eh. Ang doon ng mga bata, nag-i-English ako doon.
Oh,
Ano nakain mo? Bakit nag-i-English ka pag umuwi ko? Sabi ko ba
Don't cry out loud.
yung kaya mo yan, Fe.
Hindi ko yan.
Ay, Diyos, Maria Josep.
Baby,
Sample deh, sample.
Triad.
Triad.
baby,
Bili ka. Triad.
swim till time.
Jawa.
Yan. I didn't want the rains just passing by her. So she spent it all to smile and talk about the town. While she danced with all the names
At least she sang.
I know a lot about her, 'cause you see, baby isn't all just like me. Don't cry away, just keep it inside.
Oh, mahirapan yan. Oh, expression na mukha. Oh. I cannot sing like that. Wow, ganda. Second voice.
Baby, say that make you feel the big one. They're left behind, they're creep on the razor. And a different kind of love she throws, she found. There was nothing left but sadness as a feather.
At least may souvenir cafe, ah.
Baby can't be broken, 'cause you see, she had to fight in the station, that was me. I told her, don't cry out loud, just keep it inside. Never let your wings fly high and fly. And if you should fall, remember you almost started off.
Dahil ayaw din sabay, ayaw sabay.